Today, we'll be taking a look at the electronic control on this Whirlpool electric range. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, must first remove this terminal cover here. It is held on by 2 Phillips screws on the bottom. Once we take these out, you want to slide down on the plate, pull out, and set it to the side. Next, we'll need to remove the upper rear panel. There are multiple Phillips screws around it that'll have to be taken out. Now, before I remove the top ones, I'm going to push the panel in and hold up. Let's take the first one out. Second one. You'll want to lift out on the panel, pull down, and set it to the side. Now that we have the panels removed, we have clear access to our main control here. Now there are various reasons why you would need to be accessing this control, anywhere from no heat to no power, or maybe one of the buttons on the front is damaged. If it is damaged and needs to be replaced, what we'll have to do is remove all of the wiring. In order to remove these, most of them have a locking tab you'll have to pinch and pull. Now the ones on the bottom will be a little harder to remove. Just pull on them and be very careful and pull them out. Then to remove the actual circuit board here, there are 2 Phillips screws, one on each side, that have to be taken out. Got our first one here. When we're removing the second one, just make sure you hold on to the board a little bit. Pull out the screw, pull out on your board, and set it to the side. When installing your new board, get your screw ready. We're going to bring the board in and start to line it up. Reinstall your first screw, and this will help hold it in place. Let's get the second one. We may have to move it to line it up, but get it in the right spot and reinstall the second screw. Now, let's reinstall the wiring on here. We'll start with the larger ones, and they can only go on one way. Push them in. Then you have the other ones that are color-coded. So slide each one of them in. Now we can reinstall the panels. When reinstalling your top rear panel, you're going to bring it in at an angle, and it will slide in the middle, but stay out on the end. So let's have that side in. We'll leave this side out. Lift up. Let's get our first screw and start to put it in, then tighten it up. Let's maneuver this under here so that we can install the second one. And that should hold your plate so we can go around the remainder of the perimeter and install the others. Now we can reinstall the terminal cover. When reinstalling your terminal cover, we will want to put all of these stakes inside the slotted spots on the oven. So put these in with them facing up. What we'll do is smack on the bottom to lift them up in place. Reinstall our 2 screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.